What up?
We're with Randy. Got all the units back here. Today marks about day 2 out of flag out. Mark all the lines out. It's backyard track day. Kind of messed up. Well, he knows how to do concrete, I guess, and I don't know. So we kind of messed up, but we will figure it out.
Just say he wouldn't listen to me.
Yeah, sure. But we're running 2x6 joists, and we're going to build the drop-in deck today. Got a tractor coming tomorrow. 4-part series. Plywood for the top. We got plywood down there. The one ugly person right there, too. We got to do some land clearing, too, but it's going to be sick. Time up starts now.
Several weeks later, after smoking reefers, Marty's befogged brain hit on a clever way to open pop bottles. Later, Stan went to the hospital for swallowing broken glass. Marty badly cut the inside of his mouth, though he didn't even know it at the time.
You gotta say, I'm a human being, god damn it!
Several weeks later, after smoking reefers, Marty's befogged brain hit on a clever way to open pop bottles.
Anyways.
Alright. Dirt jump update. Randy's not on the deck.
Kinda.
She's still here.
I just came back.
We're all level out. Beams. How tall you think? 5 feet? Probably. Got all the lag bolts in.
I'm almost 6.
Yeah. I'm 6, so yeah, 5 feet. Got 5 feet tall deck. You have to get the plywood. So now we're gonna do joists. Going across about, what do you think, 2? 2 or 3? Yeah, 2 or 3. Connecting. We're gonna beam the side or across or whatever. I don't know if we have enough for 4, but yeah, we're all good. It's all solid. But time to joist.
Pardon the interruption for this little smoke break.
The world is often unkind to new talent, new creations. The new needs friends. Last night I experienced something new. Not everyone can become a great artist, but a great artist can come from anywhere.